All right, we're on part 3 of 4. The part 4, don't worry, it like changes a little bit. It's not the same. This, I just want to make sure that you're getting what you need. Don't worry, you're not doing all of these. We're only doing half of them. I am going to do the left half. You're going to do the right half. So, excuse me. So left half says at the beginning, do the following lengths form a right triangle. So all I got to do, I look here and I have to kind of check and see, hey, do they do the Pythagorean theorem? So I'll do 6 squared plus 8 squared. Is that the same as 9 squared? Oh, they're not the same. Pythagorean theorem says those have to be the same. So this is not a triangle. What about number 3? Well, looks like 10 is the biggest, so I'll do 6 squared plus 8 squared, and I get 100, and I'll try that one, 10 squared. Oh, I get 100, yep. Since I got the same thing, we're good. What about this? Oh, they even give me, they're just A, B, and C. So I'll do 6.4 squared plus 12 squared. And this one says 12.2, so I'll do 12.2 squared. Those are not the same number, so no. It's that easy to figure out if sides would give us a right triangle. And then I'm gonna grind through these problems. If it's still not gelling for you, hopefully this will help. So let's see, there's my hypotenuse. So I'll do 4 squared plus 8 squared is equal to c squared. I'll use my calculator. 4 squared is 16, 8 squared is 64. That's c squared, so it's 100 is equal to c squared. I'll take the square root of both sides. I get c is equal to 10. Next one, that's c again. It's across the street from the right angle. So I'll do 7 squared plus 10 squared is equal to c squared. That's 149 is equal to c squared. And then I'll take the square root of 149, and I wrote that wrong. 12.2. C is equal to 12.2. Then I'll look at 11. And on 11 it says 2 squared plus 7 squared. So 2 squared is 4, 7 squared is 49, 53. So square root of 53 will be my answer. All right, next one. See, there's my hypotenuse again. So I can do 5 squared plus 2 squared is equal to c squared. So that's 25 plus 4, which is 29, is equal to c squared. Take the square root of both sides. C is equal to 5.3. Oh, nope, the 8 rounds it up, 5.4. Okay, all right, 15. Oh, all right, 15, there's my right angle, right? So this is C. So that tells me in 15 that 3.6 squared plus b squared is equal to 7.4 squared. And again, I could have said a squared plus 3.6 squared. That doesn't matter. It's not going to change anything we do. I'll show that on the next one too. So I got 3.6 squared, 7.4 squared. All right, so 12.96 plus b squared is equal to 54.76. So I'll subtract the 12.96 from both sides. I get b squared is equal to 41.8. So b is equal to the square root of 41.8, 6.5. All right, 17. If I look here, I got my right angle, so I know that that's c. So I can say, I'm going to say a squared plus 6.5 squared is equal to 9.9 squared. But seriously, it doesn't make a difference in the end. A and B are completely interchangeable. So I get a squared plus 42.25 is equal to 98.01. I'm going to subtract the 42.25 from both sides and get a squared is equal to, let's see, 98.01 minus 42.25. Got 55.76. I'll take the square root of that. Bam. I get a is equal to 7.46, which is 7.5. All right, 2 more, and then I'm done this one. So there's C, right? Okay, so it's just 5.2 squared plus 9.2 squared is equal to C squared. 5.2 squared plus 9.2 squared. And I'll just take the square root, and I'll get, bam, 10.5 or 10.6. All right, and those kinds, you're allowed to skip steps. Like once you're getting comfortable with these, you're gonna see enough of these. They're real fast if you do them right. So looks like that's across from the right angle, so that's C. 5.3 squared plus b squared is equal to 7.2 squared. 5.3 squared is that. 7.2 squared is that. So 28.09 plus b squared is equal to 51.84. Then we'll subtract the 28.09 from both sides. Take the square root. I got b is equal to 4.9. All right. Hope that was helpful. On to the next one.